What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. If you're drowning in your inbox, today we're going to see how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot inside Outlook to cut through the noise, summarize massive email chains and save hours of your time. All in under 2 minutes. Let's get right to it. So firstly, where is it? If you are using the new Outlook client, Microsoft makes it impossible to miss. You will find the Summary by Copilot button sitting right at the very top of every single email. Or you can find it on the main dashboard on the right top. It can analyze the entire thread of an email and generates a concise summary, literally giving you a single sentence breakdown of each email, including the stuff you sent. You get the key points, the action items, and any pending question in seconds. Now for the pro tip. To really power through your morning, open up the Copilot for Microsoft 365 app. You can find this in the Office 365 portal or right inside Microsoft Teams or Outlook. Just click the Copilot icon. Then type something like summarize all my unread emails from today. Copilot will generate a complete overview of your inbox so you know exactly what needs your attention first. If you need more details on a specific summary, just ask Copilot to follow up a question right in the chat and it pulls the data instantly. Copilot is the ultimate cheat code for Inbox Zero. If this quick guide helped you out, smash that like button to feed the algorithm and subscribe to our channel to Inside Everything for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.